Hey guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial series. In this session, we'll work with the delete and the truncate statements. So the delete query is basically used to delete or remove one or more existing records in the table. So let's have a look at the syntax. We'll start with the delete keyword and then put in the keyword from. Then we specify the name of a table. After that, we'll specify the where condition, but that's optional. Now let's delete some records from our employee table. So we have our employee table right here, and I'd want to delete that record where the age of the employee is equal to 33. So this would be the command for that. I will give in the delete keyword and then I'll type from and given the name of the table, which would be employee. After that, I'll use the where clause and give the condition. So the condition would be age is equal to 33. I'll put in a semicolon over here and I'll hit execute. So you see that one row has been affected. Now let me have a glance at the modified table. So I will type in select star from employee, execute again. Right, so see that record where the age was equal to 33 has been removed. So initially we had 6 records, now we only have 5 records in our table. Now similarly, I want to delete that record where the employee name is equal to Sam. So let me write the command for that. So I will give in the delete keyword first and then I'll give in the from keyword. After that, I'll give the name of the table, employee, then use the where clause and then give the condition. So this time the condition would be name is equal to Sam. Right, execute. Again, we have one row which has been affected. Select star from employee and let's see the modified table now. So see that another record has been deleted. And that record where the name was equal to Sam is the record which has been deleted. Then we have the truncate statement. So the truncate statement deletes all of the data inside the table. So here we'll give in the keywords truncate table and then give the name of the table. So let me go ahead and remove all of the records from this employee table using the truncate command. So I'll type truncate table and then I'll give in the name of the table, which is employee. Execute. So see that commands completed successfully. Now I will type select star from employee. Now let's see what do we get. So we see that all of the records are empty. This is because the truncate table command basically removes all of the data from the table. And the specialty of the truncate command is even though it removes all of the records from the table, the structure of the table remains intact. So we see that the structure of this table over here, employee table, it is still intact. So this is how we can work with the delete and truncate statements. In the next session, we'll learn about joins. So thanks for attending this session. Let's meet in the next class.